What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be doing a soccer YouTube video. So I'm gonna cut when I get the ball. Boom! I'm back, everybody. Now it's time to record the video. I'm just gonna put the camera. I'm not gonna put it at the background because I don't like it being in the background. Okay, time to start. Warm up. I'm recording a video. Bye, guys. Bye. Goodbye.